Hey, I'm waiting for the folks to show up to help me put the walls up, and it rained after we got it all ready and naked, so it's been exposed to the elements now, the foundation. I'll take you out there in another video. Anyway, I wanted to show you something while I'm waiting for everybody. I got myself a refrigerator. It's a 1956, I believe, Frigidaire refrigerator, but check this out. Now, I am a little bit girly. I just want to say that. Not a lot, but a little. You're going to be surprised. Check it out. It's got pink accents. Is that crazy? And then the doors have little... This is the egg bin here. Whoops. Because this is a super. There's some that aren't super. Well, it comes out. Believe me, I've done something wrong. But anyway, you put your eggs in there. I guess probably 2 at a time, and then they pull out so you can take them to the stove and cook. Anyway, I'm real excited about it. My hope is that I can change it to be a DC refrigerator, because it doesn't work, and it didn't look like this when I got it. I'll try to insert a picture of how I found it, because it looks pretty good. I haven't put the shelf in correctly, but it does work correctly. Anyway, it was outside and quite dirty. Found it. It's still a little dirty, but I'm not going to clean it again until it's time to put it in the house, because I want to I have to replace this and there's the little jelly containers. Anyway, I'm pretty stoked, even if I can't get it to be DC. I'm going to dispose of any of the chemicals involved in the refrigeration in the appropriate manner, and that I have somebody who is a refrigeration person that will help me. And if we can't do this on our own, I saved so much money on the refrigerator that I can actually have somebody help me do it, which I paid $50 for the refrigerator.